To mirror Windows to Hisense Google TV. Hey everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how to mirror your Windows to Google TV. Now to do it, so you want to ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your Windows, you simply want to do is click on Windows plus key on your keyboard. Once you do it, so you could see this pop-up. So here you could go ahead and scan the device or nearby device. When you locate it, so you want to simply go ahead and click that out. Once you have actually done it, so then you need to switch to your TV. You could actually find a device that you want to connect to a TV. So here you just need to go ahead and open up your device. And here what you need to do is, first of all, you want to go to settings and then go to the cast or input section. Then you want to click on any view cast, and once you actually do it, so you will then be able to see a list of available devices. You want to click on the name of the device that you want to connect, and you simply want to go ahead and click on connect to wireless display at the bottom of the page, and within a few seconds your window display should be mirrored on your Hisense TV. You may have the option to choose between duplicate mirror or extended display. So this is how it's gonna do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.